The best PC case dust filters reduce dust buildup, improve airflow, maintain cooling efficiency, extend component lifespan, and simplify system maintenance. My today's video is about top 5 best dust filters for PC case that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Naningo 39 by 12 inch customizable DIY floor. This DIY magnetic dust filter is a practical solution for anyone looking to keep electronics and ventilation systems cleaner without sacrificing airflow. The large 39 x 12 inch filter sheet can be trimmed to virtually any size, making it compatible with PC cases, gaming consoles, speaker grills, AC vents, RVs, and other ventilation openings. The included magnetic strips are equally customizable, providing a secure, tool-free installation that holds the filter firmly in place while allowing quick removal for maintenance. Its fine 1mm mesh effectively captures dust, pet hair, lint, and small debris before they reach sensitive components, helping reduce cleaning frequency and extending hardware lifespan. Despite its filtering capability, the breathable design maintains strong airflow, ensuring cooling performance remains efficient. Cleaning is effortless. Simply remove, rinse, dry, and reinstall the reusable filter. Combining versatility, convenience, and reliable dust protection, this magnetic DIY filter offers an affordable and effective way to keep your PC and other devices cleaner, cooler, and operating at peak performance for longer. Now our second product is Panomount's 360mm 120mm X2 PC fan dust mesh filter. This magnetic PC fan dust filter is a simple yet highly effective upgrade for keeping your computer clean and running efficiently. Measuring 360 by 120 mm, it fits many PC case ventilation areas and attaches magnetically, eliminating the need for screws or tools. Installation takes only seconds, while removal is just as easy whenever cleaning is needed. Constructed with a durable PVC mesh featuring fine 0.5 mm holes, the filter captures dust, lint, and other airborne particles before they reach internal components. This helps reduce dust buildup on fans, heatsinks, and hardware, lowering maintenance frequency while promoting better long-term cooling performance and extending component lifespan. Despite its fine mesh, it still allows sufficient airflow for everyday computing and gaming. The reusable design makes maintenance convenient. Simply remove, clean, and reinstall. Beyond desktop PCs, these filters can also protect speaker grills and other electronic devices from dust. With 2 filters included, this kit delivers excellent value, reliable protection, and hassle-free installation for cleaner, longer-lasting electronics. Our third product is Wohlmer One PCS 1000 by 300mm DIY PC case. This DIY PC dust filter strikes an excellent balance between airflow and dust protection, making it a smart upgrade for gaming and high-performance computers. Its 1.2mm mesh design allows significantly more air to pass through than finer filters, helping maintain lower temperatures, improve cooling efficiency, and even reduce fan noise without leaving your system exposed to excessive dust. The generous 39.37 x 11.81 inch filter sheet can be trimmed to fit virtually any PC case, giving builders the flexibility to customize protection for intake or exhaust vents. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the included magnetic strips. Simply cut the filter to size, attach the magnets, and place it on any compatible metal surface without drilling or tools. Beyond desktop PCs, the filter is also suitable for gaming consoles, speaker grills, and other electronic ventilation openings. Its reusable design makes cleaning easy, reducing maintenance while helping extend the lifespan of internal components. Overall, this kit delivers outstanding versatility, efficient cooling performance, and dependable dust control at an affordable price. Now number 4, Moco 400 by 300mm DIY PC case. This DIY magnetic PC dust filter kit offers an excellent combination of flexibility, protection, and ease of use for keeping electronics clean. Each 400 by 300mm PVC filter sheet can be cut to the exact dimensions of your PC case, making it suitable for virtually any intake or exhaust vent. The included 8 magnetic strips with 3M adhesive provide a secure, tool-free installation, allowing the filter to be attached, removed, and cleaned in seconds. The 1mm mesh is carefully designed to block dust, pet hair, and other airborne debris while maintaining strong airflow. This balance helps preserve cooling efficiency, reduces dust accumulation on fans and heat sinks, and contributes to a longer lifespan for internal components. Regular maintenance becomes much easier since the reusable filters can simply be removed and cleaned. Beyond desktop computers, these filters are also ideal for gaming consoles like the Xbox Series, speaker grills, and other electronic devices with ventilation openings. With 2 large filter sheets included, this kit delivers outstanding value, reliable dust protection, and customizable coverage for multiple devices. And our last choice is Colco's Computer Case Fan Dust Filter. This magnetic PC dust filter set is a practical accessory for anyone looking to keep their computer cleaner and operating efficiently. The package includes 2 360 by 120 mm filters, making it easy to protect multiple ventilation areas or keep a spare on hand for future use. Their magnetic design allows for fast, tool-free installation and removal, eliminating the need for screws while making routine maintenance effortless. Made from durable, flexible PVC, these filters are built to withstand regular use without easily bending or losing shape. The ultrafine mesh effectively traps dust and other airborne particles before they reach internal components, helping reduce buildup on fans and heat sinks. This can improve long-term cooling performance, lower maintenance requirements, and even contribute to quieter operation by preventing excessive dust accumulation. Cleaning is quick and simple. Just remove the filter, wipe or rinse it, and reinstall it. Overall, this filter kit provides dependable dust protection, easy maintenance, and lasting durability, making it a valuable upgrade for maintaining a cleaner, more reliable PC. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.